Greetings, y'all. Cooking for one in sticks and bricks is a challenge. Add on top of that the complexities of living on the road, and things get really interesting. I am going to be transitioning to a new to me vehicle soon. I am going to have refrigeration now after being on the road for 3 years without it, and a larger power supply and an induction cooktop. In an earlier video, I talked about experimenting with making my own tortillas to take the place of a loaf of bread that I just can't find in the stores anymore. So I want to share the utensils and the devices that I'm using and some of the recipes that I've been trying. I also looked into making a single serving of refried beans to put on top of those tortillas. I get how for some of you that sounds like a lot of work and zero convenience. For me, my criteria is something I want to put in my body and how much control can I have over that. I already had this 2 tablespoon measuring spoon and this cup from my 1 quart rice cooker, on my trusty Walmart camp cup and fork, and I made this rolling pin from a decapitated wooden spoon. There is no lack of YouTube University videos that will show you how to make tortillas. I narrowed down my options to this one recipe, and I still needed to have it. 6 tablespoons of flour, pinch of salt, pinch of baking powder, 1 teaspoon oil or butter, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour makes 3 tortillas. 100% cause nutrition, a non-stick skillet, and the Induction cooktop, which operates quite nicely at 600 watts. You get to choose the amount of kneading, rest time, and how thin you want these to be. There is an art involved in making these, and I am okay with that. Refried beans. Rinse, sort, and soak a handful of dried beans overnight. I use pinto beans. Rinse and bring to a low boil in a skillet for 30 minutes. Mash to preferred consistency. I'm still experimenting with ingredients for this, but I had green onion, sweet peppers, tomato, garlic, cheese, oil, and curry powder. So that's what I used. Load up a tortilla and voila!